Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene stopping by again. Now this bead, remember in the last video I said I was going to go ahead and wrap it and make it a junk focal, and that's what I did. There is a video on here to show you how to just kind of wrap things. So what happened is I had to go ahead and string it because it was a little difficult. Once I went ahead and put all the wire around, I forgot, Darlene, make sure you leave the holes in the inside open so you can put the string through, the cord through. So I had a little trouble putting the string, not the string, but the cord in. So I had to use some wire to kind of manipulate, like put the wire in and kind of move the wires around in the inside. And I was like, shoot, I'm going to go ahead and just string this right now because I might not be able to string it again. Okay. So what I'm going to do, this is going to be our focal, and we got it nice and secure. And remember, we took it through the hole. So once we took it through the hole, we went ahead and started adding little loose beads all on the top. And then this is what we got for our nice big focal. And then what we're going to do, we're going to use some of these beads up here. I don't know which ones we're going to use. Oh, these are hand painted. So I am going to be using these, and these are 20 millimeter hand painted wood beads. So I am going to be using those. And then we are going to get started. So these are some agate beads. I'm going to go ahead and put these on and see how these look, just to get us started. So we'll do that. And then we'll go ahead and start. Aren't these pretty? Went ahead and did some purple ones, like those red ones. I like the beads so much, I went ahead and did some purple ones. So that's what that's going to look like so far. And then I'm thinking I might want to put some of these flat shell beads on here. Let's see if we can string them through this 1.5 millimeter cord. Maybe, maybe not. It don't seem like it's going to work. So if not, it's not going to work. Let's try a couple of these right here. So these are more than likely to be used for like 1 millimeter or something else. And then we're just going to go ahead and use a couple of these little beads. I haven't used any of these in a while. Go ahead and grab a couple of these, 20 millimeters. And then, oh, that's already pretty. And I think we'll just use another couple more of these. And this is going to be a quick video, and it don't take long to make bracelets. And this one is going to be a 2-piece, I think. And then we will put another bead over here and one over here. Oops. Almost lost a bead. And then, ooh, look at that. Look at that. My Lord. Look at, will you look at that? Look at that. Tell me, if a woman or a man enjoys dressing and they like just very unique, artistic, vibrant accessories, and see, that's who these are made for. Not for your average everyday person that's, you know, into minimalistic jewelry. Something that's really simple, like a, you know, a small 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter beaded bracelet or something. This would never be for them. See, this is for them people that like to be standing out in a crowd. For real, for real. They not loud, but their accessories are. And I know enough people like that. When they wear something, they're wearing something that is absolutely unique. It's very different. It stands out, and you have to compliment it because it's so different. So we got our big, nice hole knot. We're going to go ahead and pull that in. We might have to pull it on the other one. Pull it into that hole. Man, this is pretty. Look at that. And all we did was took a bead, this bead right here, which is normally you string it, the cord through, and you can put a bead right in here, and then take the cord on the other side, and then just go ahead and keep beading, right? But you can use these beads, especially when they're bigger beads. You can use these for a lot, make them nice big focals. And then what we're going to do is take some more cord, 1.5 millimeter. You know, that's my Thug Thizzle. 1.5, stretch it. And then we are going to cut some cord. And I think, let me see something. As a focal, I want to make another focal. You see that? If I want to make another focal, or if I want to, you see? I think I do. Let's see something. We're going to make double. And then we're going to use one of these hematites. Because we need those little beads on the side. So then we'll do that. And then I think what, oh, we got some purple beads right here. We got 2. And these are, I think, buffalo beads. So we got that like that. And then how about we're going to use another Buddha head. Add that color. And we do got a couple more beads, and we can add like maybe 2 of these. And then this is gold and black color. Let's see how this looks. Let's put this little spacer. Very nice. Very, very nice. Looks like it'll go really well. And I think we can add another Buddha head. And this is a quick one. Just a really quick, and bracelets don't take much at all. I have some, let's use this one. See if we want to use this. Yep, we do. And I think this is an acrylic bead. And let's add a couple of these black beads. We might close it off with these black beads if we have enough. I think we got enough. We might need one more. Definitely. That is definitely a set. And then we're just going to go ahead and tie this off. And we went ahead and closed it off with these. I think these are like 15 millimeter wood beads. Black wood beads. And I'm using 1.5 millimeter cord, making my knots nice and tight. I do know like some people will put glue on the end, or they'll burn the end, and that's good stuff too. I just never do it. I just do the, to me, the secure way is knotting and knotting and knotting. And then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and pull that knot nice and neat tight. One more time. 1, and then 1. And you'll notice I knotted a lot. And I knotted a lot because I want the knot to be big enough to literally fit inside of the hole. And then for me, see how snugly it fits in there? That creates another layer of security to me, and it would make it less able to come out of the hole. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm thinking, should I put some charms on here? Look at that. Should I put some charms? Let's do this. While I'm talking about should I put some charms on here, I am going to put a charm on here. And let's use, we got wire laying up here. I should be able to use this. This is 16 millimeter. We're going to use one of these beads right here. And we're going to use one of these beads right here because it matches well. And then we're just going to fold it like that. Wrap it like that. Straighten that up. Looks like that. And we're just going to keep wrapping our wire around loosely. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut it right at the base down there. And then take these pliers and smash that all the way closed. Oh, wait, that didn't close. Oh, shoot. And you know, we can't have nothing poking out. Okay, we don't feel anything. So let's put it on this one. Isn't that a beautiful bracelet? That's just a beautiful bracelet. Nobody can convince me that 20 millimeter and 25 millimeter beads are just not, you can't convince me that they are just not the vibe. You just can't do it. You just can't do it, especially if you like, like big, chunky statement pieces. I think I made some jump rings. All the days be running together. And I'm thinking I made some the other day. Maybe today. I don't know. But I know I got a couple in here. So let's go ahead and add. Make sure we close it nice and close together. I think we maybe, do we want to put some more on here? Ooh, what else can we put on here for a charm? And I do like charms on bracelets, but sometimes when you got a lot going on a bracelet, you really don't need, charms. But I really do love the way charms look on bracelets. Let's close nice and good on there. And then let's see what we want to put on this one. Man, that's pretty. Look at that. This is beautiful. And it's not heavy at all either. It just fits really nice and easy on the wrist. Like, just really cool. I like it. Let's see what else we got up here we can use for a charm. Because there's stuff everywhere. You can believe that one. I do got things in the, I think I might just do these two. Because I got a lot in the bag, but I don't think I want to. And then, I don't think I want it with charms. Let's do this, because I like the way the bracelets, you know what? Or let me do this. Go ahead and take this one off. And see, when it's closed so good, you can't even tell. You can't even see where the thing needs to be opened at, okay? So we're going to take this one off. And then we're just going to put it closer over here. And then let's close it. Okay, nice and closed. And then let's put this one over here. Put it closer to the middle. Okay. Oh yeah, if we put it closer to the middle. And then, this is my sweatshirt that I wear when I'm painting. Oh, I like this, right? This is really pretty. And I do kind of like it without the charms. Not unless I can put, no, I think I'm going to take the, I don't want it with the charms on it. So we're going to take the charms off because I like it without the charms. One reason is because the focal is giving you so much. It would look nice with a whole bunch of charms on it, but I don't want to put a whole bunch of charms on it right now. So this is what that looks like. And you can add like some bangles. And again, if somebody's hand is all dressed up, isn't that something? Because if that hand is all dressed up, it just makes everything look really, really nice. Right? And then if the nails are done, and it could be some gold bangles, like a person could put on some gold bangles, maybe some gold chain or silver chain or whatever color they wear. Even some turquoise would match good with this. Nails would be done. Oh, I really like these. Me and my bootleg jewelry. I really like these. You guys let me know what you think and if you would make some of these focal beads. And the cool thing is I have another one of these beads. I'm going to check around and see if I have any more of these because I really do dig these bracelets. And I am going to make another version of this stack, different colors. So if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe. And that will be coming soon. It will either be a 2-piece or a 3-piece. I don't know. But guess what? I got another bead. So we're going to make something. But this is gorgeous. I'm enjoying these. I really like these. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.